everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. I feel so excited to be filming right now because I haven't filmed in a little bit since I had a lot of footage from vacation, and I've just been turning those into weekly videos because I wanted to break them up. I just had so much footage, so I haven't actually like sat down and filmed something in way too long. So I'm excited, and today's video should be interesting, to say the least. If you have watched my videos before, you might know that I teach a dance fitness class, and in the month of September, we are having an 80s party. So like some 80s themed songs, and you can dress up in some 80s outfits. So of course, all of us instructors are going to do that. And then there's me, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, like hair and makeup, gotta go full out on that. So I specifically want to talk about the hair today. When I was first looking at some 80s hairstyles, I saw the crimped hair, and instantly I was like, okay, I have to do that, obviously. But the more I really thought about it and looked into it, I'm like, if I get one of these crimpers, am I really gonna use them like frequently enough to kind of make it pay off, you know? So I didn't want to get it just for this, you know? So instead I looked at more 80s hairstyles, and I found the one that I wanted. I ended up also seeing a lot of very tight curls and of course big hair. I mean, it's the 80s, but tight curls with big hair, like kind of tight curls brushed out almost to make the hair very big. And I ended up getting a curling iron just so I could do that. And that is what I'm going to be testing out today. I thought, why not film it and make a video out of it, because I really have no idea how this is gonna go. This could go really awesome and like just super cool, because honestly, in the past, I used to always want curly hair. But, you know, it could also go really crazy, and I could end up with just a puffball mess. We're gonna find out. We're gonna test this Amazon product here and see if it really works. So let's get into this video and look at this curling iron that I got. It's kind of cute, actually. This curling iron that I ended up getting from Amazon is called the CHOPSTICK STYLER, and actually it looks pretty dope. It's super freaking tiny, so that's what I mean with these tiny like ringlet curls. This is gonna do it, I hope. It's called the Hero, so it says it's 1/4 of an inch by 3/8 of an inch. And there's like different styles, I think, that are bigger ones. There's Hero, Long, Chunky, and Master. And it says designed and developed in the UK. Let me see what I ended up getting this for, like price wise. It was more expensive than I wanted it to be. Unless the price, I don't think the price has changed. It says $34.95. So to me that was like a little much, but I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, I know there's a lot cheaper ones, but I know there's a lot more expensive ones too, so kind of meet in the middle, I feel like. I don't know. I really have no idea. Don't listen to me. Okay, let's get into this box. It has a little, it's peeking through. I didn't even say what this was called. A little cover thing. I don't know. It's going on the ground though. Okay, even this part's like holographic. Oh, that's cool. I was wondering where the cord was. It's underneath it. Oh, and a glove that... Can you hear that? This does not seem efficient. This is weird. This is a weird heat glove. It's like holy. It has holes in it. I'm not gonna be wearing that. Probably gonna burn myself. I'm almost used to it now. I feel like people who curl their hair just kind of get used to burning their fingers all the time. Unless you use a glove. But I don't know anybody who actually uses the gloves. Props to you, I guess, if you do. I'm gonna need scissors that has one of those stupid things on them. Let's cut this baby out. There we go. Ooh, I like the way it feels. Is that weird? What does it feel like? It feels like kind of matte. It's kind of like a matte material. Okay, how can I explain how small this is? This is my dry shampoo, and this is the wand. So that's pretty freaking thin. And then it has heat levels on here. It has 250, 300, 340, 370, and 410. There's a power button here, and then this part swivels around. Like it says on the box, swivel cord. Okay, let's get heating this up, I guess. I should probably figure out a place to put this. And I need stuff to section my hair off. We're off to a messy start. Okay. Okay, I have a few different options. We got some, whatever these are called, they're clips. Combs to brush my hair and brush out these curls once we get them, hopefully. And some hair ties and stuff. So the thing I am really worried about with this curling iron is that it's going to take so long because it's tiny. Like, it's a tiny wand and only so much of your hair is going to be able to fit around it, so where you can efficiently curl it. But if it gets very, very hot, maybe that won't be a problem. I feel like I read a review where they said this thing gets really, really hot and to be careful. Okay, my mirror is totally covered by my camera and my light, but that's okay. I mean, it's not, but I'll make it work. All right, let's turn on this power button here. Maybe. Do I have to hold it? There we go. Oh my gosh, I was like, seriously? It's already broken and I just opened it? Oh, cool. Okay, how do I make the temperature go up? Oh, I just click it. So to turn it off, you probably just hold it. Let's do 370. Oh my gosh, it's already hot. What the heck? I literally just turned it on. That was so dramatic. But seriously, I just turned it on and it's crazy hot. Oh my gosh, I don't want to be like that hair video where she loses a strand of her hair because she burns it off. I'm actually nervous for this because this is gonna be crazy. Ugh, this is why I'm filming it though, because I don't know what's about to happen. This hair is really tiny, so it probably doesn't need to be on long. Oh my gosh. Throwback to when I actually used to curl my hair in little ringlets. I mean, not this tiny, because I never had a curling iron this small, but I used to curl my hair in tiny ringlets and like not brush them out. I don't know how long to keep it in. What is happening? I guess that one could have stayed a little bit longer. So I would say the look I am trying to achieve, I should probably go for really small sections, even though it's gonna take me a really long time. But it seems like this is seriously heating up so fast that really it doesn't take much time. Let's see. Like, that was 10 seconds. I could probably get even smaller sections than that. This is gonna take so long. Don't worry, I'm gonna fast forward you guys so you don't have to sit here for an hour and watch me curl this mess of hair. So far, let's see the things. Like, what am I liking about this? I think the swivel part of the cord is really cool because sometimes you get tangled up in the cords when they don't turn. Also, this thing is definitely getting hot. I am a little afraid of how long I'm leaving it on for because it's quite heated. Oh, I forgot to say, one thing I'm nervous for with this is that since I don't have, I mean, my hair's kind of short. I guess it actually may not be too bad, but I was kind of worried that it'd be too short to do this, and then instead of it kind of looking like what I want it to, it will just look like really too short. I don't know. Does that make any sense what I'm trying to say? But actually doing this now, I'm not as worried. I like that it has different heat options too, and it just looks cool, which is always appealing for hairstyling products, of course. Okay, well, so far I have one side done. I know I have dark hair, so it's just hard to kind of see it in the camera. I'm sorry. See all those little baby curls? Ooh, they feel, oh my gosh, it feels cool. I'm going to do this side, and then I will, should I come back? Yeah. I could fast forward it, but I'm just going to curl this little lower piece and then come back and see how I'm feeling. Hello guys, since I've been curling my hair, I burnt my finger 2 times, which weren't that bad, so I'm glad. Ramen there. And I also dropped the curling iron, and I've learned from the past when you drop a curling iron to run away from it. Do not try to catch it. Do not go near it. Jump away, because I've almost got my foot burned before. But anyways, this is what this side is looking like, if you can see it all. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think about how hard this is gonna be to see with my dark hair against this background in here. Oh my gosh, now you can see it. Okay, pretend we have a white background, okay? So, yeah, this, you can just see so much better. So here is what the curls are looking like. So now, we're gonna do another side and come back. I will see you once I'm done with this side, and then I'll update you again with my improv white background. Alright guys, so it's progressively getting darker outside because of course I chose a time to do this when I should have done it early in the day, but I wasn't at home. So I just wanted to do it now because why not? I have a light, but the background's gonna be darker. Okay, so this side is looking done. Well, at least for the curling part of it, it's done. And then we're gonna brush through these and make them make them big and in your face, okay? But so far, again, like I said earlier, I'm liking this. This is cool and it's working. I mean, look at these tight curls. They are crazy. The process of curling it is taking a lot shorter than I thought it would. It's been a little less than an hour since I've started filming, but that adds on my talking and explaining stuff before I actually started curling. So let's finish the curling process and then I get to play around with brushing through these curls and trying to make them voluminous and 80s like. Hello. Okay, so yeah, it's all curled and it's definitely gotten a lot shorter. The lighting keeps changing, so I'm trying to like help you to see it. Here we go. Can you see it any better? Ta-da! We have a whole head of super tight curls. If my hair was normally like this, I would have so much fun, like too much fun playing with my hair all the time. The most important part of this is to brush it out. And I don't know if I should put hairspray on before or after. I saw a girl put hairspray on before, so maybe I should do that. Fun fact, I don't normally wear hairspray when I curl my hair because I am lucky that my hair just pretty much holds curls pretty well. I mean, they fall a little bit, but it still looks good. I don't know, it doesn't fall all the way straight. Let's hairspray this baby here. Guys, I took a shower to just put crap in my hair. That's a lot of hairspray. I never put hairspray in my hair. That's a lot of hairspray. Oh, it's a solid. It's solid. Maybe I shouldn't have put that much in. I'm thinking like a side part would be really cute. So let's like pull this over. Oh, what is happening? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, my hair's so curly, I love it. I am starting to get this volume here. Oh my gosh. I really don't know what's happening. This is so much. My hair feels like 10,000 times thicker. This is crazy. How am I looking? I can't tell. The dang mirror's behind this. Hold on a second. Let me be right back. Hey. Okay, so honestly, this is probably what I'm going to be wearing on our 80s party. I didn't know how short my hair was gonna get from doing this. I mean, I did tell you that I had a little guess that it would get a little shorter, but now that it is totally finished with, oh my gosh, it looks a lot shorter. I'm just kind of blown away that if I had probably like naturally curly hair, it would look similar to this, but probably less like neat and voluminous. I don't know though. But this, I think, ties it all in. I also put it like this. But this up here just like is not having it. I'm just living out my childhood dream right now of having insanely curly hair. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I think to get the real 80s feel going, I think this is how I'm going to be wearing it. Or I may put it like up, like as a side thing, and it's still, oh my gosh. My hair feels so thick. Sorry, this is probably so annoying how mesmerized I am. Let's see how to turn this off now that we're at the end. I think you would hold it. Yep. This thing is hot, hot, hot. Like I said, I burnt my finger on it twice. Not extremely bad though. I just kind of brushed it, but that second of me just hitting it, it was definitely hot. So keep that in mind if you are interested in getting this. If you want super, super tight curls like this, do it. Get it, because ones that are bigger than this aren't going to be getting these type of tight curls. The overall time that it took me to do this is probably an hour. I don't know if it could go faster or not, but I have medium thickness hair. I don't have too thick, too thin. So it took me about an hour while talking to you guys, so maybe I could cut some time off of that. if I wasn't making a video, but it's not that bad. I feel like with thicker hair, obviously it would take a lot longer, but because it gets so hot, you don't have to leave it on for long at all. I am very, very glad that I didn't get the crimper and I got this instead, because this is gonna be so much fun to play with. Now I can make really tight curls and I can make medium length curls. And I also realized with this, if you hold it on for barely any time at all, it just kind of waves it, so you could do that to your hair too. And one last thing, I've been rambling, but the shape of it is actually like a rectangle. It's not a circle, it's a rectangle. So I don't know if you can really tell. You're not gonna be able to tell, but it's a rectangle, trust me. Overall, I am freaking out right now, but you guys know that already. It's so weird looking at myself in the viewfinder. Oh wow. That is all for the video for today. I hope you enjoyed, and now you have a new product that you know about that can curl really, really teeny tiny curls. I had never heard of this before, so maybe it's new to you too. Or maybe you've heard of it and I just live under a rock, who knows. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, so I know that you did. Follow me on all my social media accounts. They are at the beginning of this video in the description box below, or everything is at It's Kendra Sue. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.